It's Dr. Rodnick. I'm going to be talking a little bit about full spine diversified adjustment, which are one of our primary techniques we use at Triumph Chiropractic. These are manual adjustments and are designed to manipulate or adjust individual joints to restore proper alignment in order to remove nerve pressure and allow for normal motion within the joint. This is the type of adjustment where you'll hear and feel the joint cavitate or a pop and crack kind of noise. And that's actually just pressure or air escaping from the joint because of the change in pressure. It's similar to opening a champagne bottle. Many of our patients respond very favorably to this type of chiropractic care.